So I thought I should go over the strategy I'm using. So first I'm cutting all the long ones. And I got a pretty good pile. It's not enough, but it's a good start on the base. And I got some cool ones in here. Some mineral stained oak, I would say. Some red oak. White ash. I was surprised to have a white ash in there. Here's an oak that's quarter sawed. So you see how it has a different pattern? It's the way you cut the lumber. I do not have much experience with that, only kind of from books and stuff and seeing it. Versus here's a straight grain oak. And then we have a maple here. Well, maybe not a maple. It's a closed grain whiter wood. Could be a birch, but one or the other. Okay, so nice variety of wood and quite a few pieces, probably enough for one side. So we'll be bringing more up. So what I did was I first cut one the length I needed, trimmed one end and cut it, and then clamped it in. And that way I can first go like this to trim the edge and then flip it, match up that other end, and then cut it so I get them all the same. So now I'm going to do the 18 inches. So I'll take that one out, put it in the long pile, and this one's already cut to 18. Put that in there, clamp it in, and then I'm going to go through this pile because these are too short for the 33.5s. So these will all be 18s. This one's already cut to 18. Okay, let's get these ready, and then we're ready to bring up another set.